Unraveling Idioms, Understanding, to Bookend an Era. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, to bookend an era. This idiom paints a vivid picture and carries a significant meaning, so stay tuned as we explore its nuances and usage. The phrase, to bookend an era, refers to starting and ending a period with significant events that are notably similar in nature or impact. Imagine a shelf of books. The two bookends hold the collection together, marking the beginning and the end. Similarly, in history or life, certain events or moments can serve as these metaphorical bookends, defining the start and end of an era. When we say an era is bookended by specific events, it implies that these events are not just chronological markers but also hold symbolic or thematic significance. They mirror each other in a way that provides a neat narrative framework for the period in between. This can be seen in history, literature, personal lives, or even in the storyline of movies and series. Let's look at some examples to clarify. 1. Historical context. The fall of the Berlin Wall is often considered to bookend the Cold War era, with its beginning marked by the end of World War II. 2. Personal lives. Graduating from college may bookend the era of student life, with the start being the first day of school. 3. In literature or film. In the Harry Potter series, the confrontation between Harry and Voldemort in the first and last books effectively bookends the entire series. While using this phrase, it's important to ensure that the events you're referring to hold deep significance and share a thematic or symbolic resemblance. It's not just about the time span but about the quality and impact of the events marking the beginning and the end. To bookend an era is a powerful and evocative phrase that adds depth to our understanding of history, personal journeys, and narratives. It's a testament to how we comprehend time and events, not just in sequence, but in the richness of their connections and meanings. We hope this video has provided a clear understanding of this fascinating phrase. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to exploring more intriguing aspects of the English language with you.